What software works well for viewing massive TIFF images on Windows 7? Today I saw an article about a half-gig, 24,000 square pixel high-res composite image of the moon. This is a much smaller version of the image. I find astronomy interesting, so I thought I'd download it and take a look. With 4 GB of RAM and an i5 processor, I figured my computer could handle it. Unfortunately, the built-in Windows picture viewer didn't do such a great job. While it opened the file without a problem, zooming in was ineffective. The zoomed-out image loaded, but zooming in just showed a scaled-up version of the zoomed-out version, not any detail. Closing the picture viewer also took a very long time, and the whole process used up much more RAM than the 500 MB of the picture. Usage went from 1.3 GB to 3.8 GB. What other software would work better for this? I would prefer something that is free and fairly simple. I don't really want to use an editor, like Photoshop or GIMP, just a nice lightweight viewer. Any suggestions?
I have tested Live, the very large image viewer, with the moon image, and it works flawlessly on my Windows 7 32-bit machine with 2 GB RAM. First, let me give some info on this program. Live is a Windows application that allows interactive viewing of gigantic TIFF images. Live is known to have successfully displayed a 121,600 x 97,280 image applications. The most obvious application is geospatial imagery. Computer-generated images such as fractals or ray-traced images can be calculated with very large dimensions and interactively displayed. Full-size photomosaics. The only seeming downside is it's a shareware, but that's not a problem because you can use it without any time and viewing limitations. Limitations. It only displays a message above each tile. In fact, I couldn't see it while testing the moon image, and printing and exporting are disabled. You can visit the home page of the program to read the full information. Here is the download link to the setup file, only 244 KB. And finally, the proof, especially for at Evo flips.
I put my bet on Fan View. It's probably one of the better and lighter image viewers. You can also try Fast Picture Viewer. I haven't tried it personally, but it claims to have DirectX hardware acceleration. Via product description, integration with Windows 7, taskbar jump list, and Windows Vista, thumbnail cache, browse with shell folder extension. Enables Explorer thumbnails. Native 64-bit and 32-bit editions for Windows 7, Vista, XP SP3 and XP64, multi-core and multi-processor enabled to take full advantage of modern computer hardware, with optional direct 3D GPU acceleration.
Finally, I've found a program that can view very large TIFF images. It's called FW Tools. This URL? It can zoom in and out, export it, and make some modifications on it. And it's free. Even though it's not supposed to be an image viewer, it's a map tool. It works very well. It opens the image almost instantaneously. It proves that loading all the image on the memory is not the way to proceed. You just need a program properly written that only loads what it needs every moment. More detail of some areas if you zoom in, or less detailed view of the whole image. VLIV is also fast but doesn't allow you to zoom in out nor make anything with the image. I contacted its programmer and he told me that we need first to transfer the image to pyramidal format, but free Windows tools don't make it well and are really slow.
While there are certainly software options, there are also online options. EasyZoom allows you to upload very large, 8 GB, image files in nearly any format, and then view them with a Google Maps style interface. This approach uses very little memory, as detail is loaded only when needed.
If you like this channel, please consider liking and subscribing.